Hello boys, welcome back. So we are meeting after a long time, isn't it? So how were your papers? You all did very well, I must say. Good boys. So once again we are back with our online classes. So now we are going to begin with our maths class. So are you all ready? Alright. So let's begin with the maths classes. So let's revise. We have done our numbers from 501 to 1000. So do you all remember your numbers? Yes, I hope you haven't forgotten your numbers. So first we are going to learn our place value. So first we are going to learn what is O is ones, then your T is tens. Okay, then your H is hundreds, we had learned this ones, tens, hundreds. Now we are going to learn thousand. So we learned ones, T for tens, H for hundreds and TH for thousand. So now suppose when I write TH, that means thousand. When I write H, that means it is hundreds. And when I write T, it is tens. When I write O, it means ones. Now suppose I give you a number 1015. Alright. So 5 comes under ones. 1 comes under tens. 0 comes under hundreds. And 1 comes under thousands. So how will we read this number? This is 1050. Now we'll write the next number. So now 1 comes under thousand, 2 comes under hundreds, 4 comes under tens and 7 comes under ones. So how will we read this number? 1247. Now next number is 1450. But we don't read it like this. How do we read this? 1450. Why? Because 1 is coming under 1000, 4 is coming under 100, 5 is coming under tens and 0 is coming under ones. So this is how we read the number 1450. Now this number 1800. 1 comes under 1000, 8 comes under hundreds and 0 comes under tens and another 0 comes under 0. That is, ones. $1,753. So 1 comes under 1000, 7 comes under 100, 5 comes under tens and 3 comes under ones. Understood boys? Alright. Now in one page you will write second unit test and you will decorate this page. Alright boys? Okay. After writing second unit test, in the next page you will write numbers from 1001 to 100. You underline with your blue pencils. Then you leave a box and you write 1000. You write 1000 TH in one box. Then in the other box you write 100 H, T for tens and O for ones. Then I am putting a dot for you to leave a box. Again in the other box you will write TH or 1000. Remember TH will be in one box. H will be in the other box. T in one box and O in one box. Again I will put a dot to leave a box. TH in one box. H in one box. T in one box and O in one box. Again I will put a dot for you to leave a box. Again TH in one box, H in one box, T in one box and O in the other box. Now ma'am doesn't have space over there, so she's only written till here, but you will continue writing. Now we will leave a box and you will write. Please leave boxes and write. Okay? Now boys, you are going to say and write. See how ma'am is saying and writing. 1001. Leave a box and write 1002. Leave a box and write 1003. Leave a box and write 1004. 1005. 1006. 1007. 1008. 1009. 1010. Alright boys, please say and write, and can you see ma'am has left space. So please leave a box and write. Then you write 1011. Boys, please say and write 1012. 1013. 1014. Say and write boys. 1015. 1016. 1017. 1018. Make sure you leave a box in between. 1019. 1020. 1021. 1022. 1023. 1024. 1025. 1026. 1027. 1028. 1029, 1030. I hope you all are going to say and write. Boys, please say and write. Only then you will remember your numbers. Then 1031, 1032, 1033, 1034, 1035, 1036, 1037, 1038, 1039, 1040. Now ma'am doesn't have space over here, but ma'am is going to say the numbers for you. Alright? So what comes after 1040? 1041, 1042, 1043, 1044, 1045, 1046, 1047, 1048, 1049, 1050, 1051, 1052, 1053, 1054, 1055, 1056, 1057, 1058, 1059, 1060, 1061, 1062, 1063, 1064, 1065, 1066, 1067, 1068, 1069, 1070, 1071, 1072, 1073, 1074, 1075, 1076, 1078, 1079, 1080, 1081, 1082, 1083, 1084, 1085, 1086, 1087, 1088, 1089, 1000 and what comes after 89? 90. 1091, 1092, 1093, 1094, 1095, 1096, 1097, 1098, 1099 and 1100. So you have to write numbers from 1001 to 1100. Alright boys. So do your work neatly, and please, I don't want anyone's mummy to do the work. And I'll come to know, I know you're writing very well now. So I'll know whose mummy is writing and which are the boys that are doing the work. So I'll write a comment when you send the work to me. I'll write a comment in that. So boys, please do your own work. When you do your work, say and write so that you will learn the numbers well. I know you all are good boys and you all listen to ma'am. Okay? Alright. So all the best. Do your work neatly and be safe. Bye boys.